Painting a portrait is easy if you put in the necessary effort. Try this. Draw a portrait with pencil. Now draw the same portrait again with pencil, and then draw it one more time using pencil. After that, try drawing it again with some other media, like markers or colored pens. Next, paint it digitally. Here I am using an iPad and Procreate app. By this point, you should have a very strong understanding of what you are actually looking at. All of these steps will make the actual painting process much easier. Now, I don't normally do this many warm-up drawings before doing a painting, but for the sake of educational purposes and demonstrating how a professionally trained artist might create a traditional painting, I did what I did for this video. Plus, this will allow me to focus on the process of painting rather than the subject matter being painted. Always start with some color on the canvas. This will allow you to see how the color you are painting actually looks relative to another color next to it. Mix your paint on a color-neutral palette or piece of glass. Holding a glass palette up and looking through it can be a nice way to check color against color already on the canvas. I normally never use black as an underpainting color, but thought for this painting it would be interesting, especially since the reference photo is so dark. When starting your painting, use large shapes, large brushes, and large brush strokes. Don't get caught up in all the details. Work your way towards the details as you reduce brush sizes. Work from dark to light and light to dark as needed, adjusting as you go. This painting was painted in 2 sessions and took approximately 4 hours. I hope you are able to glean something valuable from this video, because making an instructional video like this about art isn't worth it to me unless you find it helpful. Thanks for watching.